Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create advanced donut visual in Power BI. To understand this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI, click on the white portion, click here, get more visuals, and activate donut. Click on this drill down donut. Now by pressing this add, this app will appear on the Power BI. You can see here. Now click here. So we'll have to specify category. So select the category, then select subcategory. Below it, then select the product ID, and then select the profit in values. Done. Activate the focus mode. So this donut is having the power of drilling. How? Click on it. Again, click on it. Right? So in machines, which are the product IDs which are doing good? Again, click on the center. So it will be a subcategory. Again, click on it. It is category. Now I want to see about the furniture. Click on it. So chairs and furnishings. Now in furnishings, which product ID is doing good? Click on it. Done. So this is the way you can create the advanced donut visuals in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.